This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T15 Gen2. Of course, there's the power adapter, just a, 65-watt USB-C. The laptop itself. Let's go over the ports that are on it. Just a Kensington lock slot, full-size Ethernet, just the fan ports there. USB 3 with a this is the always-on one, so you can charge your phone or other device. This is a smart card reader option if it was there. On the front, nothing, just the privacy switch slider. On this side, just the micro SD slot, the combo audio, full-size HDMI, another USB 3. This is the dock port, but also a USB-C there, and then another USB-C, both which you can use for charging. And on the back would just be the little SIM card option if that was on the laptop. On the bottom, just the reset hole right there, and nothing else. You look at the inside again. Still the same keyboard and trackpad and fingerprint reader, and then the dual mics and the webcam with the privacy switch at the top. And that is it.